Hey, everybody. Newsflash, typing is slowing you down more than you realize. Even people like me, at one time, I could type over 100 words a minute. And I think, oh, these little voice activated tools, they can't do better than me. Well, guess what? The tool that I'm going to show you turns your voice into a clean, structured text in real time, and it changes how fast these ideas move from your head to your screen. So if writing, doing the prompts, content creation ever feel friction heavy, then stay with me because this demo will matter to you. All right. Now, the app that I'm talking about is called Wispr Flow AI. I am not an affiliate. I just started testing it out, but I'm super excited about it and I wanted to share it with you. So let me point out five uh, awesome things. And I'm just scratching the surface as I'm looking at it. So stick with me and I'll give you a preview here in just a minute. So, voice to text built for thinking, not dictation. And this is where it works really strongly with our AI tools. It's not just that basic, let me say something and then you convert it to text. It captures my natural speech and then it turns it into a readable, usable content without sounding like a robot. The other awesome thing is it works across all my apps and workflows. So I can use it inside of my Google Docs, in my emails, prompts, notes, in my favorite AI tool. So wherever my cursor is, it's not a constant copy paste loop that I've been doing all along. And the beautiful thing is this is designed for speed and momentum. Let's face it, as creatives, entrepreneurs, these ideas land fast all the time. So as I'm having this little creative mode here, I can stay in the flow instead of having to stop to type, edit, rephrase, and then just get hung up. A much cleaner output than traditional voice tools. There's less fillers, fewer awkward line breaks. It understands how humans actually talk and how text should read. So this is super powerful for creators, strategists, AI users. It's perfect for writing those prompts, outlining your content, journaling your ideas, client notes, capturing thoughts on the fly. Do I need to give you more ideas? So let me show you what this looks like in real time. And because the difference only clicks once you see how fast it actually works. Okay, so let me get to my right screen here, and actually let me open up the app first. So let me bring this up full screen so you can see it. So this is an app that you actually download. Doesn't matter if you have a Mac or a PC. I use a Mac, and what's really cool is they have a 14-day free trial. You don't even, I mean, they have a free version, but you don't even have to put in your credit card or anything. All right. Now, I know this might be kind of hard to see here. Uh, and when you first start it, they give you the pro because, of course, they want you to fall in love with it. And again, I'll show you the pricing structure in just a minute, but super easy to set it up. And there's different things up here on the left. So here's the home key. And notice what it's doing. It's showing me a history of everything that I had dictated before. Then there's also a dictionary area where I can add new words, maybe, things that I say that it might mistype or something it doesn't understand. Okay. Snippets, I just discovered this. I'm super excited about this. So if there's certain things that, I always have to go grab the link or whatever it is, I can create these snippets. So basically, if I tell it LinkedIn, if I say LinkedIn, then it will paste that LinkedIn, that prompt URL. Okay. So that is a time saver in itself. The next thing is style. So you can, and I haven't done this yet either. Like I say, I'm just scratching the surface. I'm super excited. So in my emails, if I have a little different style of emails based on maybe how I write my social media content, I could come in here and create specific styles for that. And then another feature here is notes, quick thoughts that I want to come back to. Now, give me a high five, show me some love on this, because how many times do we just like, oh, I don't want to forget this idea. I could just put them in here and come back to it later. Now, all the way down at the bottom, when you click on settings, this is where you set it up. And super easy. You can basically open it out of the box and start using it. But the main thing is there's two ways of doing your dictating, so to speak. One is kind of like a walkie-talkie where you define these keyboard shortcuts. If you don't, I mean, they give you the shortcuts, and if you don't like that, you can define it. And then the other one is like a hands free, or I'm sorry, there's two different types of oh, I'm losing my thought here. Two different ways of dictating, and then also you can build in your microphone, things like that. All right. So let me show you in real time. Let me move this out of the way and open up a Google Doc here. And I wrote this little note here just for myself so that I would remember what I'm supposed to be showing you. And I'll make this bigger. And I'll put this link down in the comments. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I don't even know if they have an affiliate program, but I'm super excited about it. So the first way that I can start using the dictation is I just hold down. For me, I programmed it for the control key, and it's like a walkie-talkie. So look what happens. And again, whatever app I'm in, wherever my cursor is, that's where it will start typing based on my voice. Okay, so I'm doing a quick demo here, and I'm using the basically the walkie-talkie button as I'm talking. I don't know if people can see it. There's like a little icon kind of thing at the bottom. Looks like an audio wave. And as soon as I release the control key, look what happens. And here it is. And if we review this, I mean, it's spot on. How cool is that? So again, if it's just a real quick little thing, I can just hold the control key down. If I want a hands-free, so in other words, if I really want to talk to ChatGPT, or I'm brainstorming a document that I'm working on or whatever, and I just want to talk, then for me, I set up the Control Alt and Spacebar. So I'm going to show you my hands free here. So I'm going to do Control Alt Spacebar, and I don't know if you can see this at the bottom. I'm demonstrating my hands free dictation mode inside of my Wispr app here. I am so excited about this. And if you look at the very bottom, you'll see that little audio wave thing again, and then you'll also whoops. You'll also see, and I lost it. I don't know where it is. Let me see if I can find it. I love doing this live. Oh, there it is. It's come back. I just had to find the icon. You'll see that I could just continue to talk, talk, talk. And how many of us spend time talking to our favorite chat GPT or any AI tool so we can do brainstorming? Once I'm done doing all of this, just chatting to my new friend here, I can click the finish and paste button. It takes just a second, and here it is. I mean, how crazy is that? Okay, so let me come back here just for a quick second. Are you with me here? Do you see how powerful this is? And I have to say, I have heard about these tools for a little while, but again, because I'm such a fast typist and I've typed for eons and eons of time, I've always felt like that I could think better by actually typing. And it's kind of a weird thing to say, but I actually love typing. It's just very satisfying to me. But what I'm realizing is this tool is so powerful because it allows me to freeform my ideas. And sometimes when we see what we're typing, we have a tendency to kind of start self editing. Let me know in the comments if that's you. And by just talking to it, I'm not seeing anything on the screen until I hit that button, and then it dumps it out. So I could go on and on about this tool. Let me show you. Let me hop over here. Let me share my screen again. Uh, when you go to the whisperflow.ai, this is what it looks like. So the free version, you have 2,000 words per week. I have no idea how much that is. 1,000 words on the iPhone. Now, again, I have the Mac. It'll say different if you've got Windows. And I can get started. And notice they do give me the Flow Pro free for 14 days. They did not ask for a credit card, which is awesome on their part. So it gives me everything and mainly unlimited words per week. I have to tell you, let me come back here just for a quick second. Very smart marketing, because guess what? They're giving me this beautiful tool to use, no gatekeeping. I think I'm going to end up getting the Flow Pro because the more I'm using it, the more I realize that it is super powerful. Okay. Let me come back here for a quick second. And then some other little features here. Again, I am just getting started using this. Here it gives us a little chart of what's included. I think it's a no-brainer. So I am loving it. I will do some more videos as I discover all of the additional bells and whistles. Let me know in the comments below what AI tool have you found that is streamlining your workflow? Or on the flip side, uh, what are the bottlenecks in your business? And you would love it if there was some kind of an automation tool, which will probably be from AI, but the sky's the limit. Let me know because I'm an AI geek now and I love looking for solutions to people's problems. And so let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can come up with as far as creating some of these AI solutions, automation solutions. Anyway, again, I'm not an affiliate for this, but this is very powerful. I think you should try it out. Let me know in the comments if you do and what you think about it. And as always, thanks for watching. Give me a little love on this channel and share it with your friends. Would you? That would mean so much to me. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Take care.